declines her sorrowful request. Devayani's agony gives way to anger and in turn curses Kacha that the mantra he learned would not benefit him at all. Kacha also turns around and curses her that none from the Brahmin community would ever marry her. Today, Sri Rajashekharan enacts the role of Devayani and Sri Kotikal Chandrasekharan as Kachan. The scene being enacted, of course, is taken from Kacha Devayani Charitam. Over to the recital.
Suryagreshara Mauli Ratna Mamarendra Sunu Muda
Radhyayata Papalasya Jamuneraga Grihitva Bhaval
Swarajyam Pradiyashyamana iti talkale Haver Nandini
Sarusmera Mukhi Jagada Kalidaramba Kacham
Prekshasa Kalebara Nandita Surab Vara Sundara
Kalebara Nandita Suravara
Sundara Kalebara Nandita
Suravara
Sundari Chitta Chora Nandiyodu Keta Dhira Sundari
Chitta Chora Nandiyodu Keta Dhira
Sundari